Hi everybody, and welcome to Music Day 3 for Week 6. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to walk you through the first two of the first page, and then I want you guys to complete the rest of the problems and the ones on the second page as well. Okay? So, we're going to start off, we're going to start by looking at our time signature, which is 3/4, so 3 beats in a measure. We have a dotted quarter note, which means it's counted 1, 2, and because there's our 8th note. And then we have 2 8th notes there, so 3 and. That is the end of our measure, because 3 beats in a measure. Then we start with a quarter note, which is 1 beat. This is something we haven't seen yet. We talked about it when we did rhythms. If you notice, it has 2 lines at the top, those 2 bar lines. That makes this a 16th notes, which means 4 beats is 1 beat altogether. The way we count this is 2, E, and Doesn't mean that it's 2 every time, but what that means is it's because we're on the second beat of our measure, that's why there's 2. But it could be 1 E and a, or 3 E and a, or 4 E and a, depending on where that note is in our measure. And then I have 8th notes again, so which is 3 and that's our end of our line, and that's a little messy for my end bar line there, but you get what that is. And then I'm going to just scroll up, and we're going to look at my second one here. Again, we have 3 beats in a measure. Here, we're going to start with our 16th notes. So, since it's our first beat, it's 1 E and Now, on this part, I'm going to circle it in green. We have 2 8th notes. This is the exact same thing as if you were to do it like this. I'm doing it on the side. If you have your 2 8th notes like this. It can be written either way, but don't let that confuse you, because it's the exact same thing, which means it's 2 and then we have our 8th notes. The only difference here is these are connected, which is 3 and. So I'm going to draw my measure there, my bar line. Then I have a half note, which is worth 2 beats, 1, 2, and then I have my 8th notes, which is 3 and that's my end. So now I want you guys to work on the rhythms for the rest of this page and then all of next page. Okay? Great job, guys. Bye.